Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our new products on my right hand. There's a baby chairs. And let me give the overall dimensions first. Entire length of the unit is about like a 19.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 22 inches. And the overall height is about like a 33 inches tall. So the units, we're having a flip functions. You can just open it and flip up. You can store it to the corner place and place you want. And we can put it back. And we can take a look closer to see the dimensions of the seat place. For the dimensions of the seating areas, it's about like a 13 inches wide, almost like 11 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 15 inches in total. And also we can see they have a seatbelt holders. They have a clips and the adjusters right here for securities. This will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.